In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstar a page in Confluence. Starring pages in Confluence is a great way to keep important content easily accessible, but over time, your starred list can get cluttered. Maybe a page is no longer relevant to your work, or you simply don't need quick access to it anymore. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to remove a star from a page so you can keep your workspace clean and organized. First, start by opening Confluence in your browser and making sure you're logged into your account. From your Confluence home or space overview, navigate to the page that you previously starred. You can do this by browsing through the space on the left-hand sidebar, using the search bar at the top, or opening it from your list of starred or recently viewed pages. The key here is that you're on the specific page that you want to unstar. Once the page is open, look towards the top right area of the screen. You'll see several icons and options for that page. Among these, you should see a button with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Actions or Options menu. This menu contains additional page settings and actions that don't appear directly on the main toolbar. Move your cursor to that 3 dots icon and click it. When you click, a drop-down menu will appear, showing a list of actions you can take on the page. Take a moment to let the menu fully load so you can see all available options. From this list, look for the option labeled Unstar or Remove Star, depending on your Confluence version. Click on the Unstar option. As soon as you do this, the page will be removed from your starred pages list. There's usually no pop-up confirmation. The change is applied immediately. A quick way to double-check is to look at the star icon associated with the page. It should no longer appear as filled in or highlighted. You can also go back to your starred pages section to confirm that the page no longer appears there. That's all there is to it. By navigating to the page, opening the 3 dots menu and selecting Unstar, you can quickly tidy up your starred items and keep Confluence focused on the